I welcome you all, guys. It's your intellect once again. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to answer ordinary level paper 1 questions with the specification of our November 2016. The reason why I've chosen this paper, it has most of the questions which are also related to the heritage-based curriculum, that is the curriculum that is suited to your November 2016 exam. So in this, I'm going to give you a glimpse of experience on how are you going to answer questions related to geography ordinary level paper 1. So if you find this channel interesting, don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to share. So in this case, we are starting from number 13. As I always promise you that in September, that's when we are going to do or to revise more questions that are related to MapWork. But for those who wanted to study MapWork, if you can search on my channel, you'll find more and more videos as we explore MapWork. But also this year, we are going to do it more proficiently. Maybe I'm going to record a live session. So now, number 13 says, A masses are classified according to. A masses are classified according to A says latitude and surface of origin. So that's true. Our answer is A. Latitude inishona trikuti ndo pane nzvimbo. For example, ndo patinotaura kuti the area is located 0 to 25 degrees chakada. Surface of origin, it evaluate either is it a marine surface or is it a terrestrial surface. Terrestrial surface, it means land. So our answer on number 13 is A. Then number 14, the diagram shows a weather instrument used found at a meteorological station. Which of the following combination is the name of the instrument and weather element? The name is the instrument is an unarrayed barometer and it is used to measure pressure. Answer C. Then number 15, cloud cover is represented on synoptic charts by what we call octas. That's our answer there. Number 15D. Then what name is given to the front that occurs as a result of warm air advancing towards cold air? It is called warm front. Answer A. Then in which regions depression rainfall most common? Depression rainfall is most common in temperate latitudes. So our answer is A. Then what name is given to climate experience two distinctive rainfall peaks? So hanzi climate ipi yatinowana ine two distinctive rainfall peaks is tropical continental. That's it. Then number 19, which of the following human activities used to control weather? It's protecting crops against frost. Answer B. Then number 20, a plate boundary responsible for formation of oceanic rids is. So when there is a formation of oceanic rids, you need to know that there is what we call constructive plate boundary. Constructive plate boundary, it means that when it occurs, there is something which is formed. Then when we are having destructive, it means to destroy. So destructive, that's a convergence. Then it acts as an opposite, guys. Destructive, it means convergence. Constructive, it means divergence. So our answer is A. So you must not be confused. Then number 21, that's a geomorphological feature. The photograph below shows a rock mass experiencing weathering. So the question says, which of the following weather process could have been responsible for creation of the scene? It's a deep weathering and exfoliation. What is deep weathering? Deep weathering, it is also referred as chelation, whereby deep-seated rocks such as batholith, as shown on the diagram, which have been formed by intrusion or by processes where we call there's formation of intrusive landforms, where magma has been poured out and it remains underneath the surface. But due to chelation, whereby there will be percolation of acids whereby mvura inonaya, kana mvura yanaya nemashizha zvaora zvotora maacids zvoenda nawo muvhu zvonodya dombo. Saka dombo redu iro rinozoitwa exposed, but the process inenge yatanga deep weathering ne-exfoliation. So our answer is C. A low-lying swampy plain found at the mouth of the river is called a delta. A delta, that's its definition. And then, what measures would you suggest communities settled along Zambezi Valley take in time of flooding? Obvious that these people must be evacuated. Answer B. Then a variety of forms of both flora and fauna is called an ecosystem. Flora and fauna, we are talking about the plants and animals. Then how can overgrazing be addressed? By considering the answers we are provided there. How do we solve with overgrazing? We destock. Our answer is C. Then number 26, which of the following is not a benefit of gold butting and not a benefit, which means that. So what is that? Growth of cheap accommodation for farmers. Answer C. That's our word. Right. What is aquaculture? Aquaculture is fish farming. Answer B. Then the diagram shows, I always say to those who I taught online or whatsoever, whenever you find a question, pane gomo, wautongozvati adit mining, azvibvunzwe. Adit mining, that's an adit mining shown on number 28. Then number 29, before I venture into number 29 and up to the end of the question, guys, you must know that I, Sir Ndudza The Intellect, I'm not a question paper provider, guys. I only provide special attention of question papers, free anything and whatsoever, to only those who have subscribed to my online lessons. Vana vandinoti ma students angu, vana vanenge vakabhadhara, vanobhadhara ma online lessons every month, vandodzidzisa physically and online. No one vanokwanisa kundibvunza question paper at any time, ndinovapa any. But mimi munongowacha online, just benefit free information yandinongokupai inini here online. Unless if you want to join my lesson, that's when you start to say but you cannot even ask, because I always give a new. I cannot upload online while listing my students are starving. I cannot do that. That would be unfair. So if you find this interesting, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. Just share this. Some people, they find favor in me by just sharing and commenting these things on my channel. Then I decided to say, no guys, when they approach to me, when I see their emails, I give them a glimpse of respect. For instance, there's one of your guys who have said, can we have history O-level specimen paper revision? Then I decided to post that, decided to do that because of him. So if you continue commenting, liking, viewing, I give you more precision, guys. You are my wonderful people, guys. Thank you for your support. So moving on number 29, the question says, what type of activities being practiced after studying the map? When they study a map under exam condition, you need to go on the key. Then as you can go on the key, then it will be good for you. For instance, I want to look here. On the key, then you look also here. We found a deep tank, we found milking sheds, we found whatsoever that we want there. So under normal circumstances, you can find out that on those capacities we have a deep tank, milking sheds on this one. So it means that we are now having what we call dairy farming. Why are we having milking sheds? It's because we are having a dairy farming. Then in Zimbabwe, the pulp and paper industry is located in the Eastern Highlands because it is where raw materials are found. Because in Mtare, there in Eastern Highlands that we found hardwoods, there is abundance of raw materials. Our answer is D. Then water in seas and oceans is not fit for human consumption. It is salty. Our answer C. Then number 33. The best way to protect our country's resources from large-scale exploitation by transnational companies. Transnational company are internationally established. Saka best way kuti ma resources edu asabatwe nevawe, we indigenize the economy. Indigenization, it means kuti ngatishandise zvedu G. Then 34, we are now approaching population settlement and trade. The diagram below shows population change over time. So at stages A, B, C, D will be due to encourage married couple to have children. At A, why A? Here, if we can take a closer look on A, we call it a zone where there will be upwards and downwards of the population on A, and it is called a stage whereby hapana chiri kufamba vanhu vakazvarwa vari kufa, vanhu vakazvarwa vari kufa. Saka apo ndo panokurudzirwa kuti vanhu vaite vana. Then the number of water taps per person is a better indication of health than the number of hospital beds. The above statement is meant to improve what? Is meant to ensure that we must have supply of clean and safe water. Answer G on number 35. Then on number 36, the diagram below shows land uses in the city. At which sites A, B, C, D will be most appropriate to locate a low-income housing scheme. Low-income housing scheme using the concentric model, the sector model. We have said that low-income housing schemes that are usually located just the city center and usually along the railway lines and whatsoever. So the correct answer is C. That's the correct answer there. Then the diagram, the most appropriate solution to reduce malnutrition in children under 5 years is 2. That is question number 37. We encourage introduce feeding schemes. Answer A. Vana vodya kuchikoro vobikirwa. Number 38. Small towns of favorable investment and trades condition which improves a country export potential are called export processing zones. Answer B. Then 39. What is the name given to a transport map which with straight lines representing a winding route of a transport network? Ma winding route actually tinoiti a topological map. Answer A. Then number 40. As an Office of Traffic Safety Council of Zimbabwe, what measures would you recommend to address the problem of traffic congestion and high rate of traffic accidents affecting Zimbabwe? On that, we have increased public no, setting up more roadblocks no, widening and resurfacing roads, construct more. Our correct answer on number 40 is C. So guys, thank you for you have watched my video, for you have given your time listening to this. So if you have any queries, you can comment. If you have whatever you might like, you can also approach. I can help you, or here on YouTube we can comment whatsoever. So answer A. Then number 40. As an Office of Traffic Safety Council of Zimbabwe, what measures would you recommend to address the problem of traffic congestion and high rate of traffic accidents affecting Zimbabwe? On that, we have increased public no, setting up more roadblocks no, widening and resurfacing roads, construct more. Our correct answer on number 40 is C. So guys, thank you for you have watched my video, for you have given your time listening to this. So if you have any queries, you can comment. If you have whatever you might like, you can also approach. I can help you, or here on YouTube we can comment whatsoever. So guys, thank you very much. I thank you for your support. I thank you for your subscription. I thank you for your viewership. May God bless you, and I pray that each and everyone who have listened to this video, may God give you more wisdom. May God you expand your understanding. May God intense more wisdom, and may every spirit of intellectual be upon you forever and ever. Amen. Let's close this. So watch you on the next section as we are revising also other geography paper 1 questions.